Hello everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you and unboxing this Cell2Jack adapter. So hi to everyone new here, my name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it would help my channel grow. Thank you. So I was searching through Amazon and I found this Cell2Jack adapter. So what it technically does is allows your cell phone to connect via Bluetooth to the Cell2Jack, and then you just plug in a telephone line to any telephone. In this video I'm using the Panasonic KXTGE270, but this will work with any telephone that just has a phone line. So let's just say you canceled your phone line service and you just want to still use your home phone with your cell phone. So all you do, and also as you can see, this Panasonic home phone does have Bluetooth, but this will also work with older landline phones that do not have Bluetooth. So you just plug in the telephone line and it makes them Bluetooth because this sends the Bluetooth signal. So this is the box. It says Cell2Jack. Cell2Jack extends your cell phone service onto your home phones for free. So you just plug in the telephone line, Bluetooth. Of course, you need to have a cell phone plan, of course, to make this work. And then it's easy to use. It automatically connects when you get home. And it would ring. So once your cell phone rings, it would ring all your handsets. Or if you just have one handset, it will ring that handset. And then here are some other things, which is kind of cool. So which I'll show you later in the video, is allowing to use a Siri or your Google Assistant using the home phone. So that's pretty cool. And then in the back are some features: save money, simplify your life, easy setup to make a call, to answer a call, and voice assistance, and tips you can do here. So this is the box, Cell2Jack. First, I have not opened this, so this is the first time unboxing. If you guys can pause this to read if you're interested. And yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So here is the top of the box. I just got this today. Oh, I'm sorry. How does this open? Oh, okay. So you open it like this, and it says, here is the Cell2Jack. So this is the main thing. As you can see, it says, let's move this really quick because I don't want to. Software setup is easy. For first time setup, pick up your home phone off hook, press pound, *, or 00 to start pairing. Activate Bluetooth when your cell phone is signed. Cell2Jack. Of course, I'm going to show you all this, of course, right on the video. And then here's the hardware setup diagram. So let's get to the Cell2Jack. So here's the Cell2Jack. It's really small. It doesn't even weigh nothing. So we're gonna go and pull this out. And here is the USB cable needed to connect. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna move this off to the side so it's not in the way of the video. So here is the little Cell2Jack. Barely weighs nothing. There's like no weight to this. So you can see it says phone. So this will connect to your landline to your home phones or your other type of phone. To power on the device, and then USB pass-through. So technically what's intended, it does not come with the USB brick. It's intended for you to, let's just say you have your phone connected to it. So you want to grab that the brick from your cell phone, and then let's just say we were to remove it to plug it in here. And then you would plug this brick to the wall outlet. So it does require power. And then you will plug in your cell phone via the USB here. So it's really easy. So that was the unboxing of the Cell2Jack, and now we're going to go ahead and get it paired. So I have this handset right here, where all these handsets to show you. And then as you can see, to confirm, it says check tone line. If I was to push speakerphone, there's no sound. And the Bluetooth is not connected with my handset, because this handset does have Bluetooth, but I'm not using it at all. As you can see, it says cell, they're completely off. There's nothing there. So now what's next is to power up our Cell2Jack. So what you want to do is plug in the micro USB to the Cell2Jack, and then you want to plug in the other end of the USB to a wall brick or wall outlet. And then I already have an outlet over here. I brought an extension cord because and then you would plug this into here. Sorry, change of plans. That one did not want to work, so I got this one. Now I plugged in the home phone to another outlet. We're gonna plug it in. The light's gonna start flashing. As you can see, it has a blue light. So now what you want to do is grab a phone line connection, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm not gonna open this up all the way because I don't need all the connect cable. It's right here. So you can see it's flashing, so it's waiting for a cell phone. So what you want to do is, oops, wrong one. You want to plug it into the phone. You heard that connection. And then you want to plug it into the back of your phone right here. Then we're gonna plug this end to here. There we go. It's connected. Oops, there we go. It's connected, and that check tone line message went away. So I'm gonna leave the Cell2Jack right here so we don't see all these cables. So now we're ready to pair our cell phone. So what you want to do is now grab any cell phone and you want to click on speakerphone.
Warning. Phone is not.
So we're going to click this on speakerphone.
Warning. Phone is not connected.
So it's telling you it's not connected because I do not have my phone yet. So I'm going to click.
Phone is not connected.
I'm going to click on pound star pound to add a new device. We're going to click on pound star pound.
Pairing.
Now it says pairing. So what you want to do now is go to your cell phone's Bluetooth settings. We're going to click on Bluetooth. And it's going to show up as Cell2Jack. It's right there. Cell2Jack. So we're going to go ahead and pair it. As you can see,
Connected.
it says Cell2Jack connected. So as you can see now, we are connected. As you can see, it stopped flashing, and now we're connected. So if I was to click on speakerphone, it works. It's now using our cell phone line. So, and to demonstrate, let me just pick up another one. We're gonna click on speakerphone. It works. It's all working. So let me go ahead and get another phone to give this a call to show you that it's working. So I leave my cell phone right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a call. So as you can see now, we're all set up, everything's working. Now I'm gonna give my cell phone a call. I'll leave this like this so you guys can see that it's ringing. So I'm gonna give it a call. As you can see, it's ringing. And all of other, even including the base station and all the other handsets are ringing. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer it. So as you can see, we're on the call. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk normally over here. Can you hear me? Hello? 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 This is the normal handset, and I'm gonna put it on speakerphone. Hello? Hello? This is a test call. Hello? And now we're gonna, when you end it, it ends this call as well. Then whoever the other call was, or who was on the other line, it also rings it. So now we're gonna call the other phone to show you that it works. I'm gonna move this over here because I don't want to show the number. Let me go ahead and give it a call. So once you punch in a number, or if you're gonna use the phone book on the handset, you don't need to push on, you just push on talk or speakerphone. I'm gonna push on talk. And this is another phone, and as you can see right now, it's starting to ring. So if I was to answer it, hello? Hello? Oops, wrong one. Hello? Hello? So that's from the normal phone I'm talking to right here. Hello? Hello? And I want to talk, hold on, I put both on mute. Now I want to talk from the other phone. Hello? Hello? So as you can see, it's working really good. You can hear it actually really good. And then it just ends normally. Now I'm going to show you that feature where you can use your voice assistant that's built in. So for my case, it's going to be Siri, and or if you have the Google Assistant, you could also use it, for example, to tell the weather. So you can just have, like, let's say your cell phone's in your room, you can have your phone next to the Cell2Jack, and you just grab the handset to tell it what's the weather or anything you like. So you can click on, to do that, you click on speakerphone, start, and then you can see it open Siri. So let me just leave it open right here. So we just click on speakerphone, start. You can hear the tone. What's the weather in New York?
It's currently partly cloudy and 82 degrees in New York, New York. Expect rain starting early evening, then cloudy skies starting in the evening. Temperatures are heading down from 83 to 68 degrees.
As you can see, it opened it up right here on my phone. So I'm using Siri. And then to end Siri, I just click this off. Or just hang up the phone. As you can see, it's back to how it was. So it's really cool if you just have your phone on in another room and you can use any other handset. So just pick up another one. Let's just say this one. Let's just say this was in the office. You can pick up this one. Let's just say this is in your bedroom and you want to ask Siri something too. You can just click on speakerphone, start. What is the tallest building in the world?
The tallest building in the world, as of 2024, is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai.
As you can see, it's telling you right there. And then you just, when you're done, let's just say off. And then there you go. So that's it. This is the review and the unboxing and setup of the Cell2Jack. I'm going to make more in-depth videos on how to use other functions on the Cell2Jack. This is just the introduction video on how to get everything connected. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And so far, I would recommend the Cell2Jack. It's really cool if you really want to have your house phone still work on your cell phone, or you still want to use your house phones. So thank you for watching. And this is also good if you have like a bad signal spot in your house. You just play your cell phone and you can use all these other handsets. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!